Here, theorem number 10.1. Equal chords of a circle subtended equal angle at the center. Here, AB and CD are equal chords. Here, AB and CD are equal chords. Both chords are equal. That means AB is equal to CD in a circle with center O. With center O. Here AB and CD are equal chords in a circle with center O. What we prove? Central angle are equal. That means angle AOB is equal to angle COD. हमें दोनों एंगल इक्वल प्रूव करने हैं. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. How to prove? There are two triangles in this figure. First one triangle is AOB, another triangle is COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, which two sides are equal? AB is equal to CD is given because both chords are equal. Okay. Next one, OA is equal to OD. Why? Because both are equal ready. OA is equal to OD equal ready. Otherwise, OA is equal to OC. Both are same. OA is equal to OC. OA and OC both are same because both are equal ready. Similarly, OB is equal to OD. Both are all equal ready. OB is equal to OC equal ready. Okay, both are equal ready. By which criteria both the triangles are congruent? Side, side, side. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD by criteria SSS rules. Okay. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle COD by CPCT. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Hence proof. Hence proof. Okay. And its converse is also true. If central angle is same in a circle, in a same circle with center O, then corresponding chords are equal. That is a theorem number 10.2. Okay. OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD. OB and OD both are same. OB is equal to OD. Okay. Theorem number 10.2. If the angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Here, the circle with center O, the angles are made. The angles AOB is equal to angle COD. AOB is equal to angle COD. Both angles are equal. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. The circle with center O made the angles AOB and angle COD are equal. Two angles are equal. The circle with center O made the angles AOB and angle COD are equal. What we prove? Then the chords are equal. Which are the chords? Here chord AB and CD are equal. To prove. How to prove? We take a triangle AOB. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, there are two triangles. Which two sides are equal? OA is equal to OC because both are equal ready. OA and OC are equal. Similarly, OB is equal to OD because OB and OD is equal ready. Equal ready. And central angle are equal. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD is given in the question. Central angle is equal. Okay, so by which criteria? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Two sides and included angle. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD by SAS rule. By SAS rule, both triangles are congruent. Therefore, AB is equal to CD by CP, CT, hence proof. Hence proof. Okay. Recall that the two circles are congruent. Both circles are congruent. If they have the same radii, means both circle, first circle with center O, second circle with center O dash. First circle with center O, or suppose the circle is P, center is P. Okay, different center. Then we prove AOB is equal to angle CPD. Okay, first circle with center O, another circle with center P. Okay, prove that the equal chords AB and CD are equal is given in the question of congruent circle. Here given in the question chord AB is equal to chord CD in a congruent circles, subtended equal angle at their center. What to prove? Both angles are equal, means angle AOB and angle CPD are equal. हमें ऐसा प्रूव करना है. How to prove? Proof. We take a triangle AOB and another triangle CPD. Which two sides are equal? AB and CD are equal. Is given in the question. Equal chords. Equal chords. And now both are equal. AB is equal to CD. Okay. AB and OA is equal to PC. Equal ready. Already given in the question. Both congruent circle have same radii. Congruent circle means center are different and radii are same radii. Similarly, OB is equal to PD, equal radii. Okay. By which criteria both triangles are congruent? Side, side, side. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent triangle CPD by SSS rule. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle CPD by CPCT. Hence proof. First theorem में क्या था? In first theorem, same circle, single circle था, उसमें दो रेडी, इसमें दो कॉर्ड इक्वल थे. ओके, और हमें सेंट्रल एंगल इक्वल प्रूव करना था. इसमें सर्कल के बट डिफरेंट सेंटर बट सेम रेडी. ओके, और फर्स्ट थियरम में क्या था? एक ही सर्कल में दोनों, तो उसका सेंट्रल एंगल भी क्या होगा? इक्वल हमें प्रूव करना था. ओके, सेम टू सेम है. Here, question number 2. To prove chord AB is equal to chord CD. We prove chord AB is equal to chord CD. Both are same congruent circle. Congruent circle means same radii but different center. There are two triangles in this figure. Which two triangles? Triangle AOB, another triangle CP. Proof. In triangle AOB and triangle CPD. Which two sides are equal? Equal, ready? OA is equal to PC because both are equal, ready? Equal, ready? Angle AOB is equal to angle CPD. Given in the question, central angle is equal. And OB is equal to OD. Equal, ready? OB is equal to PD. Equal, ready? By side angle side, two sides and included angle of one triangle is congruent to two sides and included angle of the other triangle by criteria SAS. Therefore, AB is equal to CD by CPCT. Side angle side से triangle congruent है, तो AB and CD are equal chord. Hence proof. Hence proof. Okay. Theorem number 10.3. The perpendicular from the center in a circle with center O. In a circle with center O. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord AB. Perpendicular to a chord. OP is perpendicular. The perpendicular from the center. OP is perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord, means OP is perpendicular to AB. Here, OP is perpendicular to AB. Bisect the chord. Bisect the chord means हमें ये दोनों equal prove करना है. PA and PB are equal. What to prove? PA and PB both are equal. In a circle with center O, in a circle with center O, and OP is perpendicular to AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. What to prove? Bisect the chord. Bisect the chord means PA is equal to PB. PA and PB both are equal. In circle with center O, and OP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, we take a two triangles. In triangle AOP and triangle BOP. Which two sides are equal? OA is equal to OB. Why? Both are equal, ready? है ना? Both are same, ready? OP is equal to OP. Common side, and angle OPA is equal to angle OPB, right angle. By which criteria both triangles are congruent? By which criteria? RHS, right angle, hypotenuse side, right angle, hypotenuse side. Okay. Therefore, triangle AOP congruent triangle BOP by RHS rule. By RHS rule, both triangles are congruent, right angle, hypotenuse, and common side. OP, any one side. Okay. Therefore, PA is equal to PB by CPCT. Hence, we prove. Hence, prove. Okay. Theorem number 10.4. The line drawn through the center of a circle. Which line? Line OP. Drawn through the center of a circle to bisect the chord. bisect the chord means PA is equal to PB. OP bisect the chord AB means AP is equal to BP. Is perpendicular to the chord means central angle is angle OPA is perpendicular to angle OPB. Angle OPA is equal to 90 and angle OPB is 90. हमें ऐसा प्रूव करना है. Otherwise, OP is perpendicular to AB. In a circle with center O, OP and OP bisect the chord. OP bisect the chord means that is PA is equal to PB. OP bisect the chord, that means PA is equal to PB. What to prove? OP is perpendicular to AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. That means angle OPA is 90. Angle OPA is equal to 90 हमें प्रूव करना है. ओके, एंगल OPA 90 होगा तो एंगल OPB भी कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री हो ही जाएगा. क्लियर? चलो प्रूव. इन ट्राइंगल AOP and triangle BOP, in triangle AOP and triangle BOP, which two sides are equal? OA is equal to OB. Equal ready? Both are equal ready. OP is equal to OP, common side. OP is equal to OP, equal side. Otherwise common side. Common. OP is equal to OP and PA is equal to PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB, already given in the question. By which criteria both the triangles are congruent? Therefore, triangle AOP congruent triangle BOP by SSS rule. By SSS rules, both triangles are congruent. Okay. Okay. साइड और ये दोनों साइड कॉमन साइड है. ओके, कॉमन साइड है दोनों में. कॉमन साइड दोनों ट्राइंगल में OP और OP कॉमन साइड है. ओके, देयरफॉर एंगल OPA इज इक्वल टू एंगल OPB हुआ. व्हाई? बाय सिंपलिसिटी एंगल OPA इज इक्वल टू एंगल OPB. ये दोनों एंगल क्या है? इक्वल है. और ये दोनों एंगल क्या है? लीनियर पेयर, दैट इज अ स्ट्रेट एंगल. ओके, एंगल OPA plus angle OPB is equal to 180. It is a linear pair and both angles are equal in a linear pair. Both angles are 90. Therefore, angle OPA is equal to angle OPB. Both angles are equal, that is 180 by 2. Therefore, that is equal to 90. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means if any one angle is 90, both are perpendicular to each other. Okay. 10.5 here now. There is one and only one circle. There is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear point. कोई भी 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट है. नॉन कोलिनियर मींस एक ही लाइन में नहीं होने चाहिए. नॉट इन द सेम लाइन. बोथ आर ऑल आर डिफरेंट लाइन. सपोज द पॉइंट इज A, दैट पॉइंट इज B, दैट पॉइंट इज C. जॉइन AB एंड BC एंड AC टू मेक ए ट्राइंगल. ऐसा ट्राइंगल बनेगा. ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट AB. तो B से एक आर्क ऊपर की साइड और नीचे की साइड लो और A से एक आर्क ऊपर और नीचे की साइड लो. and draw the line which is perpendicular to line AB. Similarly, for line BC, draw the perpendicular bisector of line BC. Okay. And both are intersect at a point that is the center of the circle. That is a center of the circle, and O, that is a O, and take O as a center and radius OA. OA, OB and OC all are equal. OA, OB and OC all are equal. Then take O as a center, draw a circle which is passing through point AB and C. Okay. So there is one and only one circle which is passing through three non-collinear points. Okay. A activity here, draw the pair of circle. There are three cases. First one, both circle do not intersect at any point. ऐसा हो सकता है ना? Both circle do not intersect at any point. Second one, both circle intersect at a point. Both circle intersect at a point. Okay, at only one point. Intersecting point is P. Intersecting point is P. And both circle, third case, case 3, both circle intersect at two distinct points. ऐसा भी हो सकता है? There are only three cases. And there is maximum number of intersecting point is only two. Two pair of circle, maximum number of intersecting point is 2, which is P and which is Q. There is no intersecting point. Case 1, there is no intersecting point. There is no intersecting point. Here, there is one and only one. One and only one intersecting point. Intersecting point is P. There is one and only one intersecting point is P. And there is two distinct intersecting point. Two distinct intersecting point. P and Q. ओके और इस तरीके से भी फिगर आ सकती है. सर्कल के भी अंदर सर्कल हो सकता है ऐसा भी. ओके और ए सर्कल इसमें भी सेकंड केसेस में भी ऐसी फिगर हो सकती है. Two circle intersect at a point, only one point, and two circle intersect at a two distinct point. ओके ये एक्सटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल है. दोनों सर्कल कभी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होंगे. सर्कल के अंदर भी सर्कल होता है ना. सपोज एक बड़ा कॉइन है, उसके अंदर हम छोटा कॉइन रख दे तो वो अभी भी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हो सकता. और एग्जैक्टली उसके ऊपर रख दे वो भी इंटरसेक्ट हो सकता है. अदरवाइज इस तरीके से रख दे, अरेंज कर दे. और टू सर्कल इंटरसेक्ट एट ए टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट विच इज P and Q. ओके देयर आर थ्री केसेस. फर्स्ट केस देयर इज टू फिगर. Second case, both figure are same. Okay, interior part of the circle, exterior, and both circle are intersecting at a point P and Q. Okay, clear? इतना